Scott, Rubrik is acquiring cloud data security specialist Laminar Security. This move reflects Rubrik's strategic pivot toward encompassing cybersecurity capabilities alongside its existing data protection offerings. And this is an overall trend that we're seeing with backup vendors expanding into the realm of cybersecurity. We've certainly seen it at Security Field Day lately. With everyone talking about data security and breaches, what does Laminar bring to the table for Rubrik?
Well, it's very interesting that we end up with two security comments and talking about data breaches all in one show, right? So Rubrik has this great data backup system, and it's one of those things that if someone hacks your platform, you have to worry about how you're going to reinstall your backup. Well, is your backup in a good place? And so expanding beyond just the data lake and getting into this data kind of spectrum that they are talking about with the Laminar platform is a good addition to Rubrik's direction of helping protect these breaches and focus on things like that. So there's a lot of underscores in the evolving landscape of the backup vendors incorporating cybersecurity features to make sure they address all of that data protection challenges that we're dealing with. And it's interesting, they call it a data posture platform because it's not talking about necessarily ensuring exactly what you're doing with your information, but actually understanding what's protecting your data. So one of the comments in one of the articles talked about the fact that you can't protect data you don't know what it is. And it's kind of a true point. You can't really know what your customer's data is, but you need to know exactly what it was meant to be because it can come through in various different forms. And if you end up getting hacked or needing a backup or doing something like that, great place to have it stored, but if you're not protecting that backup in the right ways, it's a different way of looking at it. And you see things like this with Dell's Power Protect line, Microsoft Sentinel, as well as things like Nansuni. So it's great examples of where this type of integration is driving success for the security industry. And as a security-friendly guy that I am, it's great to see that these things are starting to kind of merge and make their way in the right direction. It's also great for Rubrik. It expands their R&D portfolio. Laminar's based in Israel, so now they have a footprint over there to get some even more effort as they continue to expand and grow their portfolio.